Are you a mobile platform developer with an idea for a physical product involving wireless connectivity? Our development kits makes development of Bluetooth low energy solutions simple. Though, if your product involves use of a rechargeable battery, environmental sensors, speakers, microphones or other peripherals, some knowledge of hardware and low-level programming are often required. Perhaps you, as a mobile developer, are more interested in focusing your efforts on the mobile platform at hand. Wouldn't it be nice if you could make a rapid prototype of your product where the sensors you need are already set up and their data made available over a simple wireless interface? Meet the Nordic Thingy 52, a multi-sensor platform development tool. With Thingy 52, you have access to a wide variety of sensors such as motion, temperature, humidity, light, gas, as well as LEDs, speaker, microphone and button, all of which are easily accessible over a Bluetooth low energy interface. As a mobile developer, you can get off the ground with your product fast without having knowledge of C or hardware. Don't worry though, should you need to customize your product, Thingy 52 offers plenty of connectivity as well as available firmware and design files. Thingy 52, the mobile developer's friend.